Hey, my foodie family, it's Chef Jolie, and I'm back again with another mouth-watering and delicious holiday season cocktail. This time, it's a pumpkin pie martini, and I already know you're gonna love it. So go ahead, hit that like button, and subscribe while you're at it too. Okay, so boom, let's get right into it. Grab your martini glass, dip the rim into some agave nectar or simple syrup, that works too. And then take it and rim it into some granulated sugar mixed with some pumpkin pie spice. So your glass not only looks good, but it tastes good too. All right, into your shaker, 1.5 ounces of whipped cream flavored vodka, or you can use vanilla, 1/2 ounce of dark rum, and then 1 ounce of pumpkin spice liqueur. Then the last thing you're going to do is 2 tablespoons of pureed pumpkin, and this is just from the can, y'all. Okay, then fill that cocktail shaker with ice, and then you're gonna shake that thing vigorously, okay, until it pours out cold, smooth, and creamy, just like this. Then this last step here is optional. You can take a cinnamon stick and just lay it on the edge for a little extra razzle dazzle, and then just lightly dust it. Finish it off with a little bit more pumpkin pie spice. And there you have it, a pumpkin pie martini. It's going to be delicious. Your friends and family are going to love it, and they're going to think you fancy, child. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, turn on your notifications, because I have more holiday recipes and cocktails, okay? All right, see y'all next time. Bye.